Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make keto chili. For this recipe, you'll need 1 to 2 pounds of ground beef, depending on how meaty you want your chili to be. I have about 20 ounces here. 1 pack of Andouille sausage. I get mine from Sprouts. 1 cup of diced onion. 1 cup of diced carrots. 2 14.5 ounce cans of diced tomatoes. Right here you're gonna need some chili seasoning. This is my homemade chili seasoning. I'll have the ingredients listed in the description box below, or I'm gonna be here all day listing the ingredients because there's a lot of stuff in there. 2 cups of water and half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. That's gonna go in at the end. I'm going to make the chili in the Instant Pot, but you can definitely just make it on the stove or in the crock pot. Go ahead and turn your saute function on. When the Instant Pot is hot, add in your ground beef. Okay, I got some nice color on the ground beef. I'll add the sausages now. Now we can add in our onions and carrots. Next, let's add in our tomatoes. I went ahead and blended up 1 can of those tomatoes in my little ninja thing here and left these ones diced. Now we can add in our water. Time for the seasonings. You can definitely add some more vegetables in your chili too, like green peppers, red peppers, celery. I just left it pretty simple because this is just what I had in the fridge. Put on your lid and make sure your knob is set to sealing mode. We are going to cook this on high pressure manual setting for 5 minutes. The chili is done cooking. Now I'm going to release the pressure outside. You don't have to do this, but keeps my house from smelling like food for weeks. Now for the moment of truth. Looks good. Smells really good too. Next we can add the xanthan gum. This is totally optional, you don't have to, but you see how the broth is kind of watery? I like the chili to be a little bit thicker than that. I'm gonna start with half a teaspoon and see if that gets it to the thickness that I like. All right, so about a teaspoon of xanthan gum kind of made it a little bit thicker, and that's how I like it. Right now I have some bacon cooking on the stove. I'm gonna top this with some nice bacon bits. All right, I got my bowl of chili right here. Gonna add my bacon, sour cream, and cheese. Okay, let's give it a taste with all of the toppings. It's really hot. That is so good. Wow. You guys, if you haven't made any of my other recipes, make this. It is so good. Perfect for wintertime, for a cold, snowy day. All right. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time.